Queen's Gambit exchange variation could be played strategically by playing on the queen side. It could be played aggressively by castling opposite side. It could be played by attacking the center, and that's why it is so legendary. It has been played by so many great players. So it's finally time for us to start learning it the right way. We're going to look at the typical middle game plans, typical end games that we get out of this opening, and of course, the theory. So let's get started. And the theory, guys, of course, d4, d5, c4, e6, and we're ready for the exchange variation. If you are already asking, what if they take on c4? How do I go about it? Well, you gotta go back, guys, to lesson number 50, where we covered everything. Once you do that, come back and let's talk about how to play the exchange variation. Guys, from here, the one plan that most people know is the first one we're going to go over, which is the minority attack. So basically, we develop